Hello everyone, welcome to Chrome tutorials. In this video we are going to see that how can you fix the issue that you get not enough memory to open this page in Google Chrome. So let us see. The process to fixing this issue is really straightforward. So without any further ado, let's just start with the solution. So first of all, you need to go onto the search tab and search for advanced system settings. So as soon as I typed advanced, I get this first option, that is view advanced system settings in the control panel, and this is exactly what I want. So let's just click on it and it opens a dialog box like this. Make sure you are in the advanced tab, and in the performance group you have to select the settings. Now this performance options would be opened. In the performance options, select on advanced, and in this advanced we have this virtual memory group. So right now this is the size for all the drives that's been given. Let's click on change. Uncheck this automatically manage the paging file size and select a custom size. So the initial size you can just select 1024 MB and the maximum size also 1024 MB. So minimum allowed was 16 MB, but now we have upgraded it to 1024. This is also less than the recommended one, so it's perfectly well into the limits, and then you can just click on OK. So once you do that, you need to restart your system, and once you have restarted the system, the error will be fixed in Google Chrome. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.